How to fix Bluestacks Play Store download pending. If you're experiencing the download pending issue in Bluestacks Play Store, then try this solution. First of all, just letting you know that I do not have any Bluestacks Play Store available on my PC right now. But I am here with some solutions that can definitely help you with that. So, let's get started. First of all, check your internet connection. Ensure your PC has a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection. Open a browser in BlueStacks and check if websites load properly. Then, also try closing BlueStacks completely, restart your PC and reopen BlueStacks and try downloading the app again. If this does not work, then open Play Store and search for the Google Play services. If an update is available, then simply install it. Now, if all of this does not work, then reinstall BlueStacks. Uninstall BlueStacks completely and download and install the latest version from the official website. Then log into your Google account and try downloading apps again. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.